Mopani Copper Mine-MCM intends to put the mines in Kitwe and Mufulira on care and maintenance for 3 months due to global economic challenges, which has led to the price of copper falling to about $4,800 per ton and disruptions to international mobility and the outbreak of coronavirus. This came to light when the company made a video conference call involving Glencore head of Copper Africa, Mark Davis, MCM Chief Executive Officer Nathan Barlock, and the Minister of Mines and Minerals Development Richard Musukwa on 6 April 2020 at 14 hours. The minister was informed about the decision, which was supposed to take effect on 7 April 2020. The move has been rejected by government.
The government of the Republic of Zambia rejects this attempt by Mopani to put mines in Kitwe and Mufulira on care and maintenance on the pretext of the COVID-19 as a result of their failure to secure material and human capital to run and operate their operations, because this does not conform with the law. The reason cited of force majeure is defined in law as follows. Force majeure means an event which is beyond the reasonable control of a license holder and which makes the exploration or mining operation under the license impossible. The ministry and government is not aware of any event that has happened that is beyond the reasonable control of Mopani Copper Mine, which makes mining impossible. Force majeure relates to an event that can best be described as an act of God, which clearly is beyond the control of an employer, but in this case, no explanation equivalent to an act of God has been availed.
The ministers wondered why the price of copper has been cited as one of the reasons necessitating force majeure.
Therefore, shocking that this circumstance of copper being at 4,800 per ton can reasonably be considered as beyond the control of Mopani Copper Mine, which has weathered in the past worst fluctuations in terms of price.
MCM citing coronavirus as one of the challenges has come as a surprise to the ministry.
Of COVID-19 in relationship to the analysis by Mopani Copper Mine reviews that none of the COVID-19 development in Zambia could realistically be said to have specifically impacted on Mopani Copper Mine to trigger a force majeure.
Mr. Musukwa says government cannot accept an attempt to use coronavirus as a scapegoat to push an agenda to lay off people without lawful reasons. The ministry has since written to MCM not to stop operations, and the workers have been assured of their safety. Reporting for Movie TV News in Lusaka, Nelly Namfukwe.